All right, team, so we've got our trap bar jumps. Now, unlike our rhythm jumps, unlike our drop jumps, this is very, very simple. It's just picking up the bar and jumping. It is pretty hard to make it any more complex than that. However, few cues we need to focus on. When we do jump, we're trying to avoid over shrugging the shoulders. As we jump up, we don't want to shrug too much as well. There will be a slight amount as we hit that triple extension, but of course, we want to make sure that we're not going crazy with it. Because when we land, we want to land back down in a strong landing position. That leads me into, with that landing position, we're not slapping into the ground, we're absorbing that weight. Because of course, depending on the program and what we're dictating with load, we don't want to be jolting into the ground and then placing too much unnecessary load and force through our joints. We want some, but we don't want to make it too excessive. So generally when we start, we want to come into that upright position. From here, we're going as low as we need in order to be able to jump up. So it might look like a bit of a quarter squat. We might go that little bit lower depending on load. It is completely up to you and how the program dictates, but we jump up, hit that triple extension, land under control. You'll notice that I'm not making it too rhythmic in terms of trying to get this done as quick as I can. It's slow and controlled between the reps, making sure that each leap or jump is quality and the landing itself is quality as well.